Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this meditation, we will be exploring our forever unfolding nature. We will find a sense of peace in life's continual flow, warmly embracing life as a movement to be enjoyed, rather than as a destination to be reached. To begin, take a few moments to find a comfortable seated position. However you land, ensure that your back is straight, your shoulders are relaxed, and your neck forms one straight line with the rest of your spine. Gently close your eyes if you haven't done so already, and then tune into the breath to focus your attention for a few moments. As you settle into this space, notice if the breath changes in any way. Perhaps it softens, deepens, or simply becomes more apparent to you, held beneath the gaze of your awareness. With each breath in, imagine your heart gently opening up with warmth and acceptance of this moment. And with each breath out, allow your mind to soften, coming down to meet the heart. Continue breathing this way for a few more moments. Heart opening on each inhale, and mind softening on each exhale. Now allow your breath to soften, resuming its natural flow. Consider life for a moment now. Is life a movement, or is life a destination? While it might seem clear that life is indeed a movement, we often become caught up with particular destinations that we hope will bring us happiness and fulfillment. Whether the destination we aim to reach is a new home, a new job, or a better relationship, we often become so caught up in this future illusion that we forget to enjoy the moment we are in. Furthermore, we often forget to embrace ourselves for being in continual motion. We often struggle to accept ourselves unconditionally. Subtle conditions tend to be held based on our own ideas of perfection. This tendency is like denying the beauty and purity of a flower that is growing into itself. It is like loving a flower only when it's in full blossom. We are not unlike a flower, something like a lotus with thousands and thousands of petals. As we move through life, our petals express themselves one by one. If we are open to this continual evolution, we find greater peace in each movement along the way. Let's explore this further by diving into the heart. Take a moment to draw your attention to the space in the center of your chest, allowing the breath to continually open and soften this area. Keeping yourself rooted through the heart, I invite you to simultaneously draw to mind an image of yourself exactly as you've arrived here today. Witness yourself through the mind as you hold yourself in the heart. Allow yourself to be held here unconditionally. There are no requirements for who you need to be, nothing you need to have accomplished or attained. Hold yourself for a few more full breaths without any expectations for what the future will bring. Gently releasing yourself now, I invite you to consider this moment as a single petal in your life. Is it possible to honor this moment, this breath, for its simple beauty and blessing? How about this breath? Another moment of life's incredible expression. Draw to mind now an image of a lotus or of any other petaled flower that comes to you. With every breath, another petal peels itself back, expressing its innate beauty in each moment. Continue to watch this natural unfurling of petals, likening your own being to this radiant flower. No matter what expression you are in, there is beauty in the unfolding. Letting the image of this flower slowly dissolve now, come back to the natural rhythm of your breath. Allow yourself to be held and loved unconditionally with each breath that passes. Now, gently shift your attention to the air against your skin and to the earth beneath your seat. When you feel rooted back into this space, gently open your eyes to come back. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again